Spider-Man, Spider-Man, there's never Spider-Can.
Keep singing it.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, there's never Spider-Can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, there's never Spider-Can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, there's never Spider-Can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
What does Batman does? What does Batman do?
Batman.
What does Indiana Jones do? What does he use to kill bad guys?
Because
What does he use? What does Indiana Jones use?
he uses a sword.
A sword or a whip?
Yep.
Yeah. What does Spider-Man use?
He uses his webs.
What does Batman use?
He uses his barn, a barn, and he used his battery and his bomb
Yeah, his bomb.
and his battery.
What does Superman use?
He used his Green Lantern used this ring that says, and it says zzz, and then it says slide or something, and it says zzz, and they can make everything.
Whoa.